This is Annie. She was on vacation and meets up with Ben afterwards. How cool would it be to share my experiences with Ben? Ben knows what to do. He has got a chip implanted in his brain, which saves memories including all senses like sight and hearing. Ben can decide whether it is switched on or off. The memories he recorded will be uploaded in a digital cloud and only he has access. It is totally secure, nobody can break into it. You can use it for saving memories, reliving experiences and sharing them with people you want to. Family, friends and maybe even pets could participate. If your ancestors saved memories and made them available for you, then you can watch and learn from them too. For medical treatment, like for example Alzheimer, and testimonies in trials could this also be useful. Witnesses can share their memories in court. Ben convinces Annie that the chip is a good invention. She will get one, so everything will be remembered for her. Moreover, she will start sharing beautiful memories with Ben and her friends.